Today we're building me as an AI influencer. As you can see, we already started. Step by step, let's make me a superstar, and you learn how to build yourself or whoever you wish. Full step-by-step tutorial. Let's do it. So let's start from the very beginning, and I mean the real beginning. Everything you'll see runs on tools you already have. Free ChatGPT, Grok with X. Real prices on screen when something costs anything at all. Step 1, your character. We'll go through two options. I'll show you both. Let's start with an option 1. You've already got a photo. I'll use mine. For today, I'm on Gemini Pro. Honestly, for a few pounds a month, seems like a good deal for the all-round tool. If you wish to use other options, tell me in the comments and I'm more than happy to help you. One thing on the photo, you want the face front and center, head and shoulders, not a full body shot. That's what keeps it consistent. If the face is tiny in the frame, the model just reinvents it every time. So close in on the face, like this. Here's the prompt. You can copy this one straight. It's built to hold the face steady. Now simply drop the photo into the chat and describe where you want to be. Paris, a little cafe, a coffee. Honestly, that's the vibe right now, so let's go there. And here I am. Same face, new life, me in Paris. That's option 1. Option 2, no photo? Or you fancy building someone completely different? Then you just prompt her from scratch. Same idea, you just describe her instead. Face first, in detail, straight on. And meet Lena. Built from scratch, 30 seconds ago. Loads of tools do this. Want the cheap ones that actually hold up? Comment, I'll point you to right direction. So, the second you've got one you like, Nova, Lena, whoever, save that photo. That's your anchor. From now on, it goes into every prompt, and that's the whole trick. The exact same face every time on demand. That one habit is what turns a good-looking render into a character you can actually build a brand on. Step 2, she goes to work. Or, well, I do. A campaign is honestly just 3 things. Your anchor photo, a product, and a place. And here's the thing, the product plays by the same rule as the face. It needs its own anchor. So let's make one. Describe the perfume first. In goes the prompt, wait a few seconds, and there it is. Our bottle. We'll call it Nova. Download that, the product's locked. Now the campaign. New chat, drop the two together. Her photo, the bottle, and describe the place. If you've got a real product, this is exactly where yours goes in. We're using the perfume we just made. Give it a beat. And there's the campaign. Same face, same bottle. That's the whole trick. Handbag, jewelry, activewear. Same 3 things, I just swap the words each time. And none of these brands are real, by the way. That's the point. The system is real. All stills so far on purpose. Making her move, that's step 3. Quick one. If you're enjoying this guide and the video's helping you out, we'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. It genuinely means a ton to us. Thank you. Step 3, she moves. This is my favorite bit. Google Flow, and it's all Google. Same subscription as everything we've been doing. Let's use the campaign photo we just made. That's exactly what we're bringing to life. First time in Flow, it'll probably look completely blank. That's normal. Hit New Project. Click the plus, upload media or drop it in, and add our campaign photo. Switch the mode to video, pick the model you want, type what you want happening, and let it go. And there it is. Our campaign photo just became a commercial. And honestly, you could run this whole system in Flow. Images, video, the lot. Same anchors, same rules. So let's do one more right here, the handbag. Drop the campaign photo in, describe the motion, give it a beat, and she's selling handbags on video now. Every product we made today can move like this. And this is the step that actually needs the paid plan. The free tier won't do video. If you're doing motion, this is what Pro's for. Last piece, she talks. And the tools you've already seen today can do it. When you describe the video, just write the line you want her to say, straight in the prompt, and the model does the rest. Voice, lips, everything. That's your talking clip sorted. And optionally, if you want your influencer to present, to teach, to talk to camera like I'm doing right now, That's a dedicated avatar tool. It's literally what I'm made of. Want to know more? Tell me in the comments and I'll break it down or even make a whole video on it. And this is how you build an AI influencer. The whole system. A face, a brand, campaigns, motion, a voice. I started this video as a photo. Now, basically a superstar. One thing to remember above everything, that anchor photo is the master key. Tools will come and go, keep it safe, and she survives all of them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.